In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a plugin for WordPress called Custom Login, which allows you to really easily change the WordPress login screen. Here you can see I'm already in the WordPress dashboard and I've got the plugin installed and activated. So what we can then do is head into settings and custom login. And this is where we can make some changes. So what we're going to do is just take a look first at the login page. And you can see it here on my screen. It's very basic, just the very standard WordPress login screen. Then what I want to do is jump back into custom login settings and turn the plugin on. Then we'll just go down to the bottom and hit save changes. Then what we do is jump back here to the actual login page and hit refresh. And you can see that there's a couple of changes made already. Most notably is that black shadow, that black drop shadow around the bottom and the right hand side of the login form. So what you do now is really up to you. You can just jump back into your WordPress dashboard and make all kinds of changes here. So you can use a color picker to change the color that you have. Maybe you want a dark blue, maybe some 0.7 opacity. You can put in a background image, change the background position and repeat and so on. Change what you want to do with the WordPress logo that would typically appear at the top. We're just going to make some changes here today for the purposes of the demonstration. So as such, it's probably going to end up looking very ugly. So when you're making changes, make sure you only make a couple of changes at a time and then go and check it out to see how it looks before actually going on and making more, because it can be quite difficult to keep track of this. Then as you get down, you can add in some custom HTML, jQuery and CSS. When you're done making changes though, just hit save changes. And once those have been saved, you can jump back to your WordPress login form, hit refresh, and you can see the changes there. So as we said, what changes we made today are not super pretty, but just for the demonstration of the video. This plugin is especially useful for people that would like to make changes to this particular page in WordPress, but aren't necessarily sure how to do it, because it does otherwise involve creating new files and changing the code of your WordPress theme. So if you're not comfortable with doing that, we strongly suggest using this plugin. It's pretty fast, pretty cool. You can make some neat changes as you've seen here today, but obviously where you take it is up to you. So if you have any questions about anything we've done in this video, please feel free to ask in the comments below.